gave a very short notice. This is just a small contribution from my family and some of our family friends of my daughters as well. We wanted to share our Eid celebrations with the children first. I don't know Eid is going to be tomorrow or the day after, but we thought of coming here to share a little bit of sweets and food with the children, and at the same time thank you all for looking after our children. To those who look after the children, you have a very big responsibility, okay? And I just wanted to say, whether it's Eid, Diwali, Christmas, Easter, it's very important that we remember those who sort of have become disadvantaged or unfortunate because of circumstances. Well, I strongly believe that these children should be within their homes with their parents. Unfortunately, sometimes circumstances do not allow that to happen, and I'd like to thank Dilkusha Home and the management and all the supporters that allow this home to function. And this home has been in existence for a long time, and it has produced a lot of children who are out there looking after themselves, and that is all thanks to the good work that you do. These children are very important to us, and that was one of the reasons why we decided to celebrate our Eid with these children. To the people out there, it is really sad that for a small country like Fiji, we have close to 40 unfortunate children that are looked after in our homes. And again, as I plea for the welfare of our senior citizens, I'd like to plead to you all to ensure that our children are looked after well. I mean, these are the future of our country, and every child deserves to be loved and cared for within the vicinity of their own homes. And I'd love to see these children smile, okay? They are just victims of circumstances, okay? And it shouldn't be the case. I mean, if you look around the faces, such beautiful children. So all in all, coming back to the festival of Eid, it is all about sharing. It is all about spreading the word of God. That's about loving. It's about promoting unity. It's about, again, like I said, sharing whatever we have. So this little spread that we have brought is with the generosity of a few family friends and my family. And I'm sure that we will be able to put a smile up on the faces of these little children. So with these words, very happy Eid to all the Fijians. And I wish and pray that this year the festival of Eid brings much joy and blessings to each and everyone who will be celebrating. I'm sure that millions would be celebrating Eid across the world. Thousands would be celebrating Eid across Fiji. There are some families who are still recovering from the aftermath of the cyclone that hit us a year ago. There are some families who have lost their loved ones, and there are some families for reasons will not be celebrating. Let's remember them in our prayers. And especially, let's remember all these children in our prayers, and all the children residing in the government's residential home. And again, may this festival of Eid bring us together, and let us move together as one people in our beloved nation. So thank you, Matron. Thank you very much. And I'd like to plead to the caregivers to give all the attention and love to our children here. There's no room for abuse in any of the residential homes, and I know for sure that these children are looked after. Looking at the smiles on their faces, children, are you happy here? Yes. Looking at the smiles on their faces, I know they are deprived of the love of their parents, but you are the second parents. Matron, under your leadership, I'm sure the children are looked after well. So with these words, thank you very much, and a happy Eid to one and all. Thank you very much.